Hey everyone, this is Radia from Flourish Community Hub, and I just wanted to take a second to show you an app that we're going to start using to manage inventory here at the Flourish Foster Closet and some of our other foster closets in the network. So the app is called Sortly. It's really easy to find on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. You can download it to as many devices as you like, your phone, your tablet, and so it'd be really easy to use this app to help us manage our inventory. So I've already downloaded it on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and click it so that you can see what it looks like. I'm already logged in, but once you click it, you'll be able to put in your login information, which you may have already received by now. And once you get into the app, you'll go to this home page. This home page has 4 different folders, and each folder represents a different location. So we have 4 different locations in our network: South Lake Nazarene, Flourish Church, Bethel Crown Point, and Bethel Cedar Lake. So the really cool thing about this is that you can click on any one of these folders and it will show you the items that are located at that location and the number of items that that location is carrying. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and click on Flourish Church. And once I click on that, you'll be able to see that we have, you'll be able to see all the items that we have if you scroll down, and you can see how many of each item we have. So we have 4 twin sheets, 9 bunk beds, so and so and so. So when you get ready to take an item from the foster closet, you're going to use a feature called the barcode scanner feature. You can access that in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll click on a little icon that looks like a barcode. So I will go ahead and click on that. And once you do that, it will automatically open up your phone's scanner. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the scanner and you're going to hover it over the barcode associated with the item that you want to take. So all of our items have now been barcoded with barcodes that we created. Please do not try to use the manufacturer's barcode because the manufacturer's barcode does not work. It hasn't been programmed into our app. So you can only use the barcodes that we've created. I'm going to try to maybe color code our scanner so that it's easier to find, color code our barcode so that it's easy to find. But another way you can distinguish our barcode from the other ones is that our barcodes are the only ones that have the actual item name underneath it. So for example, if you're trying to take out a set of twin sheets, you'll go ahead and take your scanner and you will highlight it or hover it over the barcode, and you can see it says twin sheets, and you'll get a notification saying that the quantity has been updated. Now, as soon as you scan it, I will go ahead and move the phone away from the barcode as quickly as possible, because if you hover it over the barcode too long, it may accidentally scan it twice, so you don't want to do that. So yeah, just be careful. We want to make sure that everything is as accurate as possible. So scan it and then move it away as fast as you can. The scanner has already been programmed to automatically decrease the quantity by 1 every time you scan it. So every time I scan, for example, I just scanned the twin sheets and the app automatically removed 1 set of twin sheets from the inventory. If you're taking 2 boxes of twin sheets, you would just take your scanner and you would again hover it over the barcode. And again, you'll get a notification saying that it was successfully uploaded, and another box of twin sheets would have been removed from our inventory. Another way you can do this, so for example, if you have an older phone or your camera is broken, you can also update inventory, manually. So if you go back to the Flourish Church folder where you see all of our items listed, you can actually click on the item that you would like to take. So for example, if you want to take a bunk bed, you would click on the bunk bed. The item details will open, and on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see the number of units that we have currently. If you click on the plus and minus sign, you'll adjust the quantity by the number of items that you're taking. So if you're taking 1 bunk bed, you'll press the minus sign, indicating that you're taking 1 bunk bed. If you're taking 2, you would press it again, indicating that you're taking 2. And so the app will automatically remove 2 bunk beds from our inventory. Once you do that, you can go ahead and press update, and then you can just back out of that. You'll go back to the Flourish folder. And then if you back out of it again, you'll go back to the home page that lists all the foster closet locations. There's one more feature I want to show you that's really cool, that's going to make life so much easier, and that is the search function. So if you click the little magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner, you'll be able to search for an item. So for example, if you're looking for twin sheets and you don't know which location has them or has the number that you need, you can click in the search bar, type in twin sheets, And the app will tell you what locations have twin sheets and how many of those twin sheets are available at each location. So you can see that Flourish Church has 2 twin sheets, Bethel Crown Point has 4, and so you'll know exactly which foster closet to go to get the number of items that you need. So that is Sortly. That is the new app that we're going to be using. If you have any questions about the app, please feel free to contact me. Again, this is Radia from Flourish Hub. My email address is rmartin@flourishcommunityhub.org, or you can just shoot me a text at 219-232-6080. We want to be as accurate as possible because obviously it's good for keeping track of data, and we also don't want people traveling to different closets thinking that they're a certain number of items when they're not. And so we just want to make sure that we're being careful with our scanning. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know immediately so I can fix it. We just want everything to be as accurate as possible. So once again, thank you so much for the work that you all do. We know that your work can be hard. It can be overwhelming. And so we're hoping that this app will make things easier for you and make it easier for you to serve your families. So once again, just let me know if you have any questions.